You can actually stop a yawn right before it happens just by holding your breath and swallowing twice. That's not some random trick, there's real science behind why it works. Yawning isn't just about being tired, it's a reflex triggered by your brain's attempt to cool your brain or adjust oxygen levels. But the crazy part is, you can hack this automatic response with a couple of super simple moves. When you feel that yawn building, pause and hold your breath for a few seconds. Then, swallow 2 times in a row without breathing in. This interrupts the yawning reflex, basically confusing your brain into thinking the urge is gone. Try it next time you're in a boring meeting or sitting through class and you feel a yawn coming on. It's a quick fix that nobody around you will even notice.